Hey guys, today you are going to learn how to fix this error. This means that your Windows 10 has detected your USB drive, but failed to recognize it, so you can't read or write the drive. Before we jump into solving this error, it is best to protect your existing data on the drive. In order to protect your data, you need to recover data from your USB drive before taking the following ways to fix it. Best way to rescue data from the drive is to use data recovery software. iBoysoft Data Recovery is one of the professional data recovery tool with a high recovery rate. Go to Google and type in iBoysoft Data Recovery. Download and install the software. Choose this option and select your drive. Now the software will recover the existing files on your drive, before we get into the process of solving the error. If your USB drive has the same drive letter as other drives connected to your Windows, a conflict will happen, and your USB drive will be inaccessible. You can go to Disk Management to have a check. If that is the case, you can reassign a different drive letter to the USB and then, the issue will be fixed. If there is no issue with the USB drive letters, try the next solution. Sometimes, the owner's status in Windows is the troublemaker of the USB drive not accessible error. You can try to adjust the ownership of the inaccessible USB drive. Right-click the USB drive and select Properties, choose the Security tab and click Advanced. Then, click the Change button. Click Advanced. Find Now, select your username and click OK. Check if the problem is fixed, if not, try the next solution. As the USB drive is access denied, you can try to add an authenticated user to get the permission to access it. Right-click the USB drive and select Properties. Select the Security tab and click Edit to open the permissions. Click Add and add a new user named Authenticated User. Then, click OK. Check the full control option and click Apply, then OK. If unfortunately, the solutions mentioned above fail to enable the USB drive accessible again, this means two things: the USB drive is not compatible with Windows or the USB drive is corrupted. Windows only supports NTFS, exFAT, FAT32, FAT16 file systems. If your drive is APFS or HFS plus formatted, Windows won't allow you to access it. If you ensure that the USB drive is compatible with Windows, the drive is probably corrupted. In this situation, you have to reformat the USB drive. However, formatting a drive will erase all data on it, so first you should recover data from the inaccessible USB with data recovery software like iBoysoft Data Recovery. Then, you can format the drive. Right-click on the drive and click on Format. Leave the settings as they are and click Format. Now your drive should be accessible. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if this tutorial was helpful to you.